There have been times in my life when money was tight. However, eating healthy is also a high priority for me. My frustration is that often it seems that the healthy version of foods cost twice as much as the less healthy options. Eating organic carries a stigma of being expensive and inaccessible, and sometimes this is true. But with a little resourcefulness and creativity, you can nourish your body with good food, and it doesn't have to be that expensive. You can add in organic foods and build a healthy diet with these 5 easy steps that are both kind to your wallet and your well-being. Make as much of your food as you can from scratch. What do you buy now that is pre-packaged, pre-portioned, canned, processed, and presented to you based on the most current psychological marketing techniques? If you make your food, or even make more of your food, you will know what is in your food and also save money. Cooking at home saves, no matter what diet philosophy you embrace or diet restrictions you live with. Learn basic cooking techniques to transform inexpensive organic ingredients into delicious meals. There are countless resources for online recipe websites, how-to food preparation guides, and meal planning apps offering menu ideas and grocery lists. Explore options like Meal Board, Mealtime, Big Oven, or Paprika. How many of us, myself included, are guilty of having full pantries and still complaining about having nothing to eat? It's not that we don't have anything, it's that we don't have anything easy. The solution for this is to acknowledge it and prepare for it. Our hectic lives also values convenience. A pantry full of ingredients might not be what we want to see when we're tired, pressed for time. We want the quick options that supermarkets present so enticingly, even if they're less healthy or more expensive in the long run. Faced with a full pantry of ingredients, we can become overwhelmed. Choosing what to cook, gathering ingredients, prepping, and cleaning up can feel like a difficult task after a long day. The next thing we know, we're grabbing the phone to order takeout. The solution for this is to arm yourself with your version of convenience. Consider taking time each week to plan a few meals. That way you will have what you need, avoid impulse buys, and reduce waste. Nothing is worse than having a packed refrigerator except for that one item you need to make dinner. Think about what you typically eat, your schedule, your lifestyle, and areas that you want to improve. Would you like to eat more vegetables or cut back on sugar? Do you need quick and easy meals on certain days? Whatever your personal goals and needs are, they can be worked into your plan. Start with just a few days or even one meal, like dinner. Pick days that require the most planning, maybe weeknights when you're short on time. Start with foods you already like or have been wanting to try that are healthy, satisfying, and simple. And remember to include snacks if those are part of your regular go-tos. Leftovers are your secret weapon. Cook double batch recipes and pack or freeze leftovers for lunch or another quick meal, or use them as ingredients for another dish. Your freezer is a wonderful tool, can be like your own convenience store in your kitchen. If you have some extra time on days off, cook extra for the weeks ahead. This extra effort will save money and time and reduce stress on the days you need it. Grocery stores are masters of psychological manipulation. They use sensory cues such as brightly colored displays near checkout counters, smells of freshly baked bread or roasting coffee, or offering product samples that get your cravings going. High profit, ready-to-eat snacks, sugary foods, and pre-made options are often placed where they can catch your eye and tempt you to grab them. BOGO deals, or buy one get one free, tempt you to buy more. Phrases like limited edition or while supplies last create a fear of missing out, prompting you to buy before it's gone. They may also place high-price items near discounted ones, making the discounted items seem like a bargain, still more than you plan to spend. The first step in beating this game is understanding what is happening. Then put a few of these tips into place to become a smarter shopper. Make a list and stick to it. Planning your meals and making a grocery list helps keep you focused on what you need. Avoid shopping when hungry. Hunger makes loading up the cart harder to resist. Set a budget and track your spending. Going in with a plan and keeping track of what you're spending helps you stay on track. Question every purchase and ask yourself if you need it or is it the store's marketing tactics. Take time to compare prices and labels. Consider the price and the quality of the ingredients. This is where balancing your personal health goals versus your budget considerations are weighed. Pantry staples, those basic items like flours, oils, seasoning, raw foods, and other cooking items that you use most often in recipes, are your friendly options. You will get more for your dollar if you go for those basics. Also, if you take the time to do a little more prep work, you can get the same food for less. For instance, if you grate cheese yourself or buy whole veggies and cut them up, you're likely to save money. If you want organic on a budget, you have more choices than ever before. Ultimately, the best place to buy affordable organic staples depends on your individual needs and priorities. Research and compare choices to find the stores that best fit your budget and dietary preferences. Often called the poor man's Whole Foods, Aldi offers a surprisingly extensive selection of organic staples at lower prices than most mainstream grocery stores. They feature their private label brands and focus on efficiency and cost effectiveness. While the selection might not be as big as other stores, the organic basics like beans, grains, pasta, and produce are often much cheaper. Trader Joe's combines unique items with competitive prices on organic pantry staples. They are known for their creative private label products, many of which are organic and often more affordable than comparable brands. Their strength lies in offering unique organic options like frozen fruits and vegetables, snacks, and pantry essentials. Many ethnic markets offer fresh produce at a lower price than traditional grocery stores. You may also find a wider variety of produce that is not readily available elsewhere. Membership stores such as Winco Foods, Costco, or Sam's Club operate on a membership model but reward members with bulk discounts on a wide range of products, including organic. Buying in bulk can be especially affordable for staples like grains, nuts, and beans. They also offer competitive prices on fresh produce and dairy and often feature local and seasonal options. If you have the storage, this is a good choice. Websites like Thrive Market, ButcherBox, and Amazon Pantry offer subscription models that can be surprisingly affordable for certain organic staples. Of course, compare prices and consider shipping costs before committing. Many grocery stores offer loyalty programs that provide discounts and cashback. Signing up for a reward program may give access to discounts and early heads-up on sale items. Check for community resources such as farmers markets, food pantries, and community gardens. Many farmers markets offer programs like SNAP benefits matching or senior discounts to make fresh produce more affordable. Community-supported agriculture. When you join a CSA, you pay a membership fee up front and receive a weekly or bi-weekly box of fresh produce directly from a local farm at a discounted price. Find a CSA near you through directories like Local Harvest or Eat Well Guide. Grow your own. Even a small herb garden can provide fresh flavor for your meals. Start with easy-to-grow herbs like basil, parsley, and oregano. If you want to go a step further, container gardens offer an easy way to add vegetables to any space, regardless of size or limitations. Consider growing up instead of out. Going vertical can increase your yield, and the more you grow, the more you save. If you want to get started, online resources, the local library, local nurseries, and garden centers can provide advice and plant selections for your specific climate and preferences. Eating healthy on a budget doesn't have to be a distant dream. Embrace these 5 simple but effective strategies today, and you will take charge of your health and food choices. Also, if there's anything that you do to save money, please let us know in the comments below. Remember, the key is to find a balance between your personal health goals and your budget. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.